Hello, I'm creating this video to help you create and maintain your blog for week 5. So here I am in week 5 and I'll make this available to you soon. And you come down to the blog assignment and you can get to the blog workspace by simply clicking on the link at the top. And that'll take you to the place where you create blog entry, and this will bring up your workspace. Now the first thing you want to do is give it a title. And then look at these icons. Some are familiar. The one that's you're going to have to use right off because it's given the description of the assignment is the attach image. Now these are images that you can download to your hard drive, and this page allows you to negotiate or navigate to those images. And for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to choose an image called Nausicaa, and I'm going to submit it. There it is. I see it. I submit, and there it is in my blog page. Now you can change the size of these images simply by clicking on them and then dragging it to whatever size you want, either way. Then underneath you can just type in here. This is where you would show your mind at work and fulfill the requirements for the assignment, hopefully about 250 words. And say at any point in there you can add a link to a word. And so just to demonstrate that, say I find the word Nausicaa. I'm going to come back up here to the top to my, and I'm going to look at this little blue globe, and I'm going to click on that. And that's going to give me a place to enter the URL. You want to make sure you start with basically a blank space there. So let's see if I can find a URL. Let's see. There's one, and I click on that. We'll make sure that you click this open link in a new window, or else Blackboard gets really confused. So there's my image, there's my link. I'm going to come up here then and post the entry. Okay, it takes a minute to upload the data, and there's my blog page. You can see my image, you can see my link. If I click on it, and I've done it right, it opens in a new window, and there's my web page. Okay. Now I've asked you to comment on two other students' blogs, and the way you do that is down here. You just comment, you open a text box, and you therefore can type in here, and of course I want these comments to have substance to them, to provide your point of view, your evaluation of the blog. And then you just add, and here it is, shows one. If I click on it here, it's Colin Hughes. He said good job. Okay, as you look at this right hand side, it shows then my blog, it shows what I've done. These entries here or icons will show where there's new comments. It'll also show where there's new entries. If I want to make more than one entry, I just create a new blog. That entry then will show up right above post entry, and as blogs characteristically, here's my new blog, and it's right above the previous blog. And so that's kind of how blogs work, one upon top of the other. So this should get you started, and I hope you have fun with this, and good luck.